Hello, welcome to the week 1, lecture 1.1. In this lecture, we are going to learn number system and the basic arithmetics. So what is a natural numbers? Natural numbers are basic counting numbers. That means the numbers which we are using to count different daily objects. For our course of data science, we will consider 0 in natural numbers. So the natural numbers start from 0 and go to the infinity. They are represented by the letter n. So n is a set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till positive infinity. In natural number, we do not include negative number. That means -1, -2, -3 till negative infinity are not natural numbers. 2.5 means decimals and 1.5 etc. are not unnatural numbers. So what is the integers? Integers include all whole numbers and their negative counterparts. Whole number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till positive infinity, and their negative counterparts are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till negative infinity. They all are considered as integers. They do not contain any decimal points or fractional parts, and integers are represented by a letter z. So z is a set of negative infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 till positive infinity. Integers do not include square root of 2, 2.5, -3.7, 1/2 are not integers. Note that 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let's learn some division terminology. When 23 is divided by 5, write it as 23 divided by 5. So here in this example, 23 is a dividend. Dividend means the number that is being divided, and 5 is a divisor. Divisor means the number by which another number is divided. Quotient means the result of the division, and the remainder means modulo. It is also called as a modulo, the amount left over after division when it is not exact. So in this our example, the 3 is a remainder, 23 is a dividend, 5 is a divisor, and 4 is a quotient. So in general it is written as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 23 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 3. Note that the remainder means the leftover after the division is always less than the divisor. Here 3 is less than 5. The term mod or modulo is different from modulus. Modulus means absolute value. Mod means remainder after division. It is written as a mod b and read it as a mod b or remainder when a is divided by b. So where this modulo concept is used in our clock, we use modulo concept. So in 24-hour clock, 15 hour means 15 divide mod 12 means the remainder is 3. So 15-hour o'clock corresponds to 3 o'clock on a 12-hour clock. What is means by rational numbers? So rational numbers are denoted by this letter Q. Rational number is any number that can be written as a ratio of two integers a and b, means a number which is written in the form of a divided by b, where a is an integer and b is also an integer and b is not equal to 0. That is a rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers, means 3 by 4, where a is an integer, 4 is also integer, so 3 by 4 is a rational number. Minus 2 by 5, where a is minus 2 and b is 5, and both are integers, therefore they are rational numbers. 7 is equal to 7 by 1, both are integers, therefore rational numbers. 0 is equal to 0 by 1, both are integers, therefore rational numbers. But 5 by 0 is not a rational number because denominator is 0, which doesn't satisfy the condition of rationality. That means the denominator must not be 0. So this condition fail here. Therefore 5 by 0 is not a rational number. Rational numbers include terminating decimals and repeating decimals. Terminating decimal means, for example, 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. So after 5 decimal terminate. 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. So after 5 decimal terminate. 7 by 8 is equal to 0.875. So after decimal terminate. So the decimal expansion ends. Therefore they are called as terminating decimals, and therefore these numbers are considered as rational numbers. Repeating decimals means 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333. These 3 continue till infinity. 2.11 is equal to 0.1818 till infinity. So these 18 repeat till infinity. 7 by 6 is equal to 1.1666. These 6 repeat till infinity. This decimal expansion repeats, therefore they are called as repeating decimals and they are considered as rational numbers. But there are some numbers who do not repeat, like 3.1415, and this number goes till infinity. They are called as a non-repeating decimal form and they are considered as not rational. The digits continue forever and do not repeat in some cases. For example, square root of 2. Here the digits continue forever and there is no pattern which repeats. Therefore, these numbers are called as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers cannot be written as a simple fraction of two integers. Their decimal expansion never terminate and never repeat in any pattern. For example, the value of pi. Value of pi is 3.0 14159 and it never terminates, it goes till infinity without repeating any pattern. So the pi is an irrational number. They represent precise values that exist in the spaces between a rational fractional on a number line. Square root of non-perfect squares are always irrational. Non-perfect squares means 2, 3, 5 are called as non-perfect squares. The square root of these non-perfect squares are always irrational because they continue till infinity without repeating any pattern. Euler's number E is another highly important irrational number. Real number. Real number includes every number that can be plotted on infinite number line. They include natural numbers, integers, rational numbers, as well as irrational numbers. Natural numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are subset of integers from minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 to plus infinity. Integers are subset of rational numbers, and real number is union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Thank you.